Alright, today we're gonna do apartment tour. This is a living room. And the view. So it's really great because you can see the view from here. Let's look at here. There's a little sofa and a little chair and a little desk as well, a little mirror. And there's a partition to kind of divide, the living room from the bedroom. And look at this little corner. I've got a bag of here. I get the little washing machine here. $8, and you can hand wash your clothes here if you want. There is the gas stove, gas station, gas whatever shit that is. And I clean my house. So. And then there's this kitchen. Got like stove, like 2 gas stoves. It works. Oof. And there is this, and it works. And then there's a microwave. I mean, for those who don't know what a microwave is, there you go. And then the kitchenware. So I have got a blender here. I've never used it, and I don't eat bread, so this is useless to me too. And this is very interesting. This is especially for making hot chocolate. I also don't use here. And there is this thing. If you haven't been to Colombia, you don't know what it is. It's for you to put on the stove and put on bread on it. And then you get a little pan. Let's move on. Nothing. It's a little coffee machine. I don't drink coffee. Look what I found though. A rice cooker. And then there's like, this is for making juice. Little thing. Bags. I don't know why, but they gave me 1, 2, and 3 just so I can make rubber. And then I got this. Yes, I don't put shit like that in here. I'm pretty healthy. Water in here, and then I can get water from here. Right, so through this is our bedroom. So that's the bed. And you wake up and you see this view of nice neighbors. Nice view. Sometimes I like to work here. See that I'm a backpacker. My backpack. And my stuff. And then that's just the winter clothes I don't wear. And there's a board here. Alright, let's go to the bathroom. Hola. Pretty standard. How big is this though? Like, you can literally just be in here and have a little party. Look at this though. It's on the floor. Tasteful art.